relating with earth and nature. What if nature and the earth stand with us as we stand in ourselves more and more, learning from their strengths, their innate sensitivity, their wisdom and abundant gifts, which support us in all ways if we are able to receive them. Yes, what if they are calling us, nature and the earth, longing to be in relationship with us again, to feel our care and loving presence once more, and to offer us their own, feeding us greater energy, bringing us greater peace, helping us feel the natural rhythm of life that weaves through all life in energy and harmony with natural law. What if they long to share more intimately with us again the natural essence of their beings, revealing to us more each day who we are inside? What if they are ready to help us heal, to support us with resources, with wisdom and understandings, if we can be present and still enough to listen, so that we may in turn offer our own presence, our own unique giving and sharing of ourselves from the diversity of life that we each are.